Today, we're going to be talking about how to find your ideal prospect on LinkedIn, and it's super duper easy. First, we're going to head over to the magical search bar and we're going to type in the keyword or the search term that will lead us to our prospect. So, I'm going to use podcasting as an example, and let's say we want to find entrepreneurs. So, I'm going to type in entrepreneur, and then I'm going to go ahead and click people, and then the list comes up, and it's really that simple. Now, as you can see, I've connected with a lot of these people already, but you can go in and apply filters. So maybe you want to say, okay, greater New York City area, and I want to talk to people in venture capital and private equity, and I want to make sure they speak English and they provide whatever service, so on and so forth, and two connections, their second connections. Okay, bam, we have a bunch of people right here, and then you can just go through and connect, and that is how you do it.